Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Firefox 97, which was released on February 8th and is the second major browser update in 2022. There's not much in this update, but I'll cover one notable change. First of all, as usual, there have been a few security fixes that were implemented in this new browser update, and these are some of the high and moderate level security vulnerabilities that were fixed. In Firefox 94, Mozilla had implemented Colorways theme colors as a limited time feature accessed via the add-ons page. So starting February 8, 2022, Mozilla will be expiring this feature. However, if you've enabled a specific colorway, you can keep it as long as it remains enabled. You can check this support article to learn more about it. You'll find the link in the description section. So this was one of the notable changes in Firefox 97. Like I mentioned, there was not much. You can check the list of detailed changes in the release notes. You'll find the link in the description section. In terms of the Browsermark Benchmark test results, the overall performance of Firefox remains steady compared to the earlier version, but Google Chrome continues to outperform. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, thanks for watching.